Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wheelbarrow handles is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of wheelbarrow maintenance, but it's also one of the most important. A sturdy and comfortable handle can make a world of difference when you're hauling heavy loads across your yard or worksite. In this video, we'll explore the best wheelbarrow handle kits available, helping you find the perfect replacement or upgrade for your wheelbarrow. Number 5. Truper 00221400A Wheelbarrow Handles, 60-inch. Need new handles for your wheelbarrow? These are 60 inches long, perfect for replacing worn-out ones. They're designed to fit your wheelbarrow perfectly. This product is part of the C-Series. It's built to last and withstand tough conditions. You can rely on it for your gardening and landscaping needs. Made from durable hardwood, these handles are built to last. They provide a comfortable grip and are strong enough to handle heavy loads. The handles come with pre-drilled holes for easy installation. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to quickly get back to work. It's a convenient feature. This package includes a pair of handles. You'll have everything you need to replace both handles on your wheelbarrow. Get yours today. What we like. These handles are a direct replacement for your Truper wheelbarrow. They are made of hardwood, which provides a classic feel and good shock absorption. If you have a Truper C-Series wheelbarrow and need a straightforward, reliable replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. These fit perfect with only 2 additional holes needed. Handles are well made and very sturdy. Upon installation, all holes aligned. The replacement handles worked out perfectly. Number 4. Edward Tools 60 Wheelbarrow Handle Replacement. These heavy-duty steel handles are designed to last. They are a perfect replacement for your old, worn-out handles, ensuring you can get back to work quickly. Made with durable steel, this handle is built to withstand tough use. You can rely on it for all your gardening and construction needs. The soft cushion grips provide added comfort. This will make your work easier and reduce strain, even during long hours of use. This handle comes with pre-drilled holes for standard wheelbarrows. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. This handle is compatible with many major brands. Whether you have a Jackson, Ames, Craftsman, or Cobalt, this handle is a great fit. We stand behind the quality of this product with a lifetime warranty. If anything goes wrong, we've got you covered. What we like. This set features heavy-duty steel handles, built to last. The soft cushion grips add comfort, even during extended use. If you are looking for a durable, long-lasting solution and prioritize comfort, this is the one for you. What people say. The Truper is not listed as a direct replacement, but they work great with drilling 4 holes, 2 for the bin and 2 for the wheel supports. After assembly, my wheelbarrow is like new, stiff and strong. The handles are lightweight and the grips are nice. Number 3. Truper 335831-12-inch Steel Wheelbarrow Handle. Introducing the Truper 33583, a heavy-duty steel handle. It's designed specifically for Truper contractor-grade wheelbarrows, ensuring a perfect fit and lasting durability. This 1-to-1-2-inch handle is built to withstand tough jobs. Its robust construction makes it ideal for demanding tasks, providing reliable performance. Designed for Truper wheelbarrows with a 1-to-1-2-inch handle size, it ensures a secure and stable connection. The pre-drilled design makes installation easy. The handle is pre-drilled for Truper wheelbarrows. This makes it easy to install, saving you time and effort. Upgrade your wheelbarrow with this quality Truper handle. Stock up on Truper tools for all your projects and experience the difference. What we like. This is a heavy-duty steel handle specifically designed for Truper wheelbarrows. It's built to withstand tough conditions. If you have a Truper wheelbarrow and need a robust, reliable handle, consider this option. What people say. The handles are well made and sturdy. The handles are a perfect fit and easy to install. The handles are a great replacement for my old wheelbarrow handles. Number 2. Jackson M-Series Replacement Wheelbarrow Handles. These are replacement handles for your wheelbarrow. They are made of hardwood, providing a traditional and lightweight feel. The hardwood construction helps to absorb any bounce. This makes it easier to maneuver and control when you are using it. It offers a traditional feel, while also being lightweight. This makes it easier to lift and carry. The handles have a tough seal coat finish. This adds durability, helping to protect them from wear and tear. These handles are designed for easy installation. You can quickly replace your old handles and get back to work. What we like. These handles are made of hardwood, which naturally absorbs shock. The tough seal coat finish adds durability. If you like a traditional feel and need a handle that can handle some bounce, this is a solid choice. What people say. Come pre-sealed and drilled, just bolt on and go. These were a perfect fit for my Jackson wheelbarrow. Nice either hickory or red oak handles. All but the front holes on the poly tub lined up, no biggie, just use 3/8 drill to make a new one. Number 1. Truper Ames 74647 Wheelbarrow Handle. This is the Truper Ames 74647 Wheelbarrow Handle. It's designed for 6 cubic feet C-Series wheelbarrows. Made from heavy-duty hardwood, this handle is built to last. It can withstand tough jobs and heavy loads. This handle is specifically designed for your 6 cubic feet C-Series wheelbarrow. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. The tough seal coat finish provides added durability. This protects it from the elements and extends its lifespan. With its robust construction and protective finish, it's a reliable choice for any task. You can count on it to get the job done. What we like. This handle is a heavy-duty hardwood option, designed for C-Series wheelbarrows. The seal coat finish provides added protection. If you are looking for a durable handle for your C-Series wheelbarrow, you should consider this. What people say. The handle is very heavy, much heavier and slightly longer than the original. It's now stronger and sturdier than it was when it was brand new. This fit my 25-year-old Truper wheelbarrow just right. The drill holes and the handle length were exactly the same and I didn't have to make any modifications. Very pleased. They are a perfect fit and come factory coated to protect them from the weather. I also bought the new hardware and that made the job a whole quicker. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.